Hello and welcome back. This is video number 7. Today we're going to be adding our second melody line to our song. So go ahead and drop your cursor to the end of bar 32. This is where we're going to add our second melody. Loop the following 4 bars and open up your instrument track. The notes that we are going to be using, if you're using the musical typing, is L, semicolon, K, H and G. And if you're using a MIDI keyboard, this would be the notes D, E, C, A and G. Have a little practice of the following melody. Once you're happy, let's record it in. Let's open it up and have a listen. I'm going to raise it up by an octave. So I'm going to select all and transpose it up 12 semitones. We're going to loop the melody so it ends at the end of bar 40. Make sure to save your work. I will see you in the next video.